The digital world is filled with noise, predictions, hype, and fear. In the volatile world of cryptocurrency, XRP is often at the center of controversy. Headlines have long predicted its collapse, citing regulatory battles and fierce competition. But is that the whole story? While many focus on price swings, a quieter revolution may be underway. Institutional investors and tech visionaries are looking beyond today's price, focusing on XRP's underlying technology and long-term potential. Tonight, we pull back the curtain to explore what really sets XRP apart. We'll dive into the code, the strategy, and a looming technological threat: quantum computing. Quantum computers could break the security of most digital assets, threatening to make them obsolete. Yet some experts believe the XRP ledger was built with a unique resilience, possibly making it one of the few survivors in a post-quantum world. This isn't just about a digital asset, it's about the future of money and the clash between old systems and new ideas. Is XRP truly on a path to zero, or is it quietly positioning itself as a pillar of next-generation finance? Tonight, we investigate why the smart money is betting on XRP's future. To understand XRP's present, we must look to its origins. In 2011, developers David Schwartz, Jed McCaleb, and Arthur Brito set out to fix the slow, expensive global payment system. Their answer? The XRP Ledger, a decentralized open-source network designed for fast, low-cost payments. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-intensive mining, XRP uses a consensus protocol, confirming transactions in seconds. XRP was created as a bridge currency, enabling real-time exchange between any two currencies. Ripple, the company, was formed to promote this technology, but its large XRP holdings sparked accusations of centralization. Critics argued Ripple's influence contradicted crypto's decentralized ethos. The controversy intensified with a high-profile SEC lawsuit in 2020, alleging XRP was an unregistered security. This legal battle, combined with centralization fears, fueled predictions of XRP's demise. For many, the narrative became simple. XRP was flawed and destined to fail. Yet, the story is far from over. December 2025. The landscape has changed. Landmark court rulings in 2023 and 2024 clarified that XRP itself is not a security, opening doors for institutional adoption. The XRP ledger has processed over 85 million ledgers without failure, handling billions of transactions at minimal cost. New features, like a native automated market maker, have boosted on-ledger liquidity and decentralized exchange capabilities. Ripple's partnerships with central banks and European financial institutions are now real-world applications, not just speculation. The focus has shifted from legal defense to global expansion and utility. Yet, critics persist, pointing to new competitors, slow price growth, and the threat of technological disruption. They argue that legal clarity is not enough. The real test is in the marketplace. The battle for relevance is ongoing, and the stakes are higher than ever. XRP's future will be decided not just in courtrooms, but in the real world of finance. The question remains, can it outpace the competition? The answer lies in its technology and adaptability. That's where the story gets interesting. XRP's fate has global implications, impacting economic policy, financial inclusion, and even geopolitics. Instant, low-cost, cross-border payments could transform international trade, especially for small businesses. Success could unlock trillions in economic activity. Failure could shake trust in blockchain technology worldwide. A major crash would not just hurt investors. It could trigger regulatory crackdowns and stifle innovation. The US and China are racing for dominance in digital finance. China's digital yuan is a closed, state-controlled system. A successful, decentralized XRP ledger could offer an open alternative, shaping the architecture of the 21st century economy. The stakes are nothing less than the future of global finance. In labs around the world, quantum computers are being built, machines that could break today's digital security. Most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, rely on cryptography vulnerable to quantum attacks. The so-called quantum apocalypse could expose billions in digital assets. The XRP Ledger, however, was designed with cryptographic agility. Its signature scheme isn't hard-coded. The system can support multiple algorithms at once. This means the network can upgrade to quantum-resistant security without a disruptive overhaul. Developers and validators can vote to adopt new algorithms, ensuring a smooth transition. This foresight sets XRP apart from many blockchains locked into legacy cryptography. The original designers were thinking not just about 2012, but about the challenges of 2030 and beyond. That's a rare kind of resilience. How does XRP's quantum shield work? The ledger's modular cryptography acts like a high-security door with an interchangeable lock. Through its amendment process, the community can propose and vote on new, quantum-resistant signature schemes. If 80% of validators agree, the upgrade is adopted, allowing users to move funds to quantum-proof accounts. This planned migration avoids chaos and panic, ensuring a seamless transition. Developers are already testing post-quantum algorithms, preparing for future threats. Unlike other blockchains, XRP's architecture allows for proactive, orderly upgrades. It's a clear path to quantum resistance, by design. We spoke to cryptography and blockchain experts for their take. Dr. Evelyn Reed, MIT cryptographer, says quantum computing is a paradigm shift. Systems that aren't ready will become insecure overnight. She highlights the XRP Ledger's modular cryptography as a critical advantage over first-generation blockchains. The amendment process offers a clear path to quantum resistance, though execution will be key. David Schwartz, XRP Ledger co-creator, notes the system was built to evolve, ready to adopt better technology as needed. Financial institutions agree. When evaluating blockchains for long-term use, quantum readiness is a major factor. A senior European bank official told us the XRP Ledger's built-in migration path is a significant advantage. It shows maturity and long-term thinking rarely seen in the space. The consensus, XRP is better prepared for the quantum era than most of its peers. The challenge will be in community coordination and timely execution, but the foundation is already in place. What's the ultimate vision for XRP and its ledger? The goal is the Internet of Value, where exchanging money or assets is as easy as sending an email. XRP isn't meant for buying coffee, but as a universal bridge asset for instant cross-border settlement. Ripple's on-demand liquidity frees up trillions in trapped capital, making global finance more efficient. The ledger enables tokenization of real estate, art, and more, unlocking new markets and investment opportunities. Its built-in decentralized exchange allows instant trading of any tokenized asset, with XRP as the bridge. The result, a more inclusive, efficient, and interoperable financial world. If XRP survives the quantum era, it could be the backbone of this new system. XRP's story is one of contradiction, criticism and support, setbacks and breakthroughs. Despite years of crash predictions, its technology has only grown stronger and more widely adopted. The market's noise often drowns out real innovation, but XRP's resilience is by design. Smart money bets on utility, scalability, and security, not hype. The quantum threat is real, but XRP's architecture is ready for it. The future isn't guaranteed, and challenges remain, from competition to regulation. But dismissing XRP based on old narratives misses the bigger picture. The evidence points to a robust technology embedding itself in global finance. The story is still being written, and the most important chapters may be ahead. The smart money says, think again.